Hi, I'm Tom with the FCB Launch channel, and in this quick tip I will show you how to install Ladybug Tools in FreeCAD. Ladybug Tools is a collection of free open source applications that support environmental design and education. In FreeCAD, they enable you to show solar diagram and also create solar studies. But by default, they don't come pre-installed in FreeCAD, so you have to install them yourself. So if in your vanilla installation you select your site, go to the View tab, and then you want to enable the solar diagram, you will be warned that you need to install the Ladybug Tools. And to do that, you need to open your Python console. So you need to right-click on any tab, and here I will choose Python console. This opens up Python console with the history of your commands. And here you need to insert a command that is dependent on the platform you are using FreeCAD on. And here are the commands, and these are in the description box below. So for me, on Linux, I will copy this command. So I will go right-click, copy. Then I will come here to the Python console, then right-click and paste. And I will hit enter to run the subprocess. And you should be informed that the process was run successfully. So now I can hide the Python console. And now if you enable the solar diagram should be enabled. You can then also show sun position. So these tools will now be available in your FreeCAD installation. Now let me go back to the commands of installing the Ladybug Tools. On Windows it's pretty clear, because here you will only have to change the address of your current version of FreeCAD, because this is the address that points to the Python library. On Mac, it should be similarly easy, because this address should be hopefully the same. On Linux, this is a bit more complicated, because the address to the Python library depends on whether you run FreeCAD as an AppImage, whether it's installed from your distribution directly, or if you are using Flatpak. So you will need to find out where your user bin FreeCAD folders are. But for AppImage, which I'm running, it should be on the temp.mount, and then there's FreeCAD, and this is independent each time you run your FreeCAD installation. So I will type in these stars here. So hopefully this should work. Again, all of these are in the description box below. Now the default FreeCAD installation enables you to show the solar diagram and also the sun. If you are interested in creating more advanced solar studies, I would recommend you to install from the add-on manager Solar Workbench by Francisco Rosa, which enables advanced use of the Ladybug tools for solar analysis. So this is how you install Ladybug Tools for FreeCAD. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you in the next one.